The journey of life begins with a seed sown in the womb that germinates and springs forth a living being, fearfully and wonderfully made by God. By God's design, each of us have divine purpose and destiny to fulfill. Yet, it is the choices we make along the passage of life here on earth that tell the story if we have told God's given path and destiny, if we are the chosen of the Lord to show forth His glory. The life and times of late Sister Reverend Mrs. Oluwatoyin Oluwabamidele Omoleye Oni of Trem Akoka Wisdom House and the former Managing Director, CEO of Rehoboth Microfinance Bank, RMFB, lent credence to this truth. A life fully lived with divine meaning, purpose and destiny. Born 1st of October 1963 to the family of late Pa Simeon Oluwafumilayo Akindoju and Mrs. Modupe Akindoju ni Akingugbe in Ibadan, Oyo State, Nigeria, she was the sixth of 7 children. In 1968, she began her primary education at Yewande Memorial Nursery Primary School, Surulere, Lagos, and completed it in 1973 at Alafia Institute, Mokola, Ibadan. Then she proceeded to St. Anne's School, Ibadan, and later to the Federal School of Arts and Science and obtained her O-level certificate in 1978. She then attended the International School, Ibadan, and obtained her A-level certificate. Thereafter, she proceeded to the University of Lagos to study economics, bagged a BSc degree in 1985. By divine order, she was posted to Ilorin, Kwara State for National Youth Service Corps. While serving, she met the young, vibrant for Christ pastor Akintola Onu, an indigene of Kwara State, in the NYC Christian Fellowship. He was also serving. By divine fate, their love for Christ and obedience to the Great Commission and expansion of God's kingdom, somehow they were kept connected, and their friendship grew into a healthy Christian relationship and courtship. Then in June 1986, on his 25th birthday, Pastor Kintola Onu proposed to his heartthrob, then Sister Oluwatoyin, and in 1990 they got married. Together they began a love work of 25 years in which they built a God-centered home and ministry. And God blessed them with 3 wonderful God-fearing children, Mayokun Oni, Oreolua Oni, and Isaac Damilola Oni. Oluwatoyin began her work life with a brief stay at the UBA PLC. By order of divine purpose, she chose to pursue a career as an accountant. So, she started with Yewande Ogunsheye and Co., then joined the famous Coopers and Librand and auditing firm. There, she rose through the organizational ranks, heading different departments to become the head of the Treasury Department. She occupied that position until February 2002. Again, divine purpose came calling, and by choice, she resigned her lucrative job with the sole aim to give more time to raising her children and supporting her husband in ministry. However, her flair and passion for the finance industry were still strong. Thus, later she established her own investment company, Ruby's Investment Limited, and a subsidiary, Ruby's Telecom Services, both located in Maryland, Lagos. Unknown to Toyin, and again by the stroke of faith, God was preparing her for kingdom assignment in the finance, investment and banking sector. The combination of our wealth of experience in the secular and the hand of God upon her life propelled her into destiny path when she took up a new assignment in God's kingdom. And God was setting the stage when in 2003 she was appointed chairman of Rehoboth Microfinance Bank, RMFB, wholly owned by the Redeemed Evangelical Mission, TREM, and its members. When the newly appointed MD failed to resume work, Toyin Oni was asked to take up the position for 3 months while a replacement is sought for. But our Creator, God Almighty, knew better. By wise counsel, she accepted the ministry's appeal to take up the position as the pioneer managing director of Rehoboth Microfinance Bank. That divine appointment moved her to her divine location, where until she went to be with the Lord, she played out the best and greater part of her divine destiny. While it lasted, she groomed and nurtured the new RMFB into a solid and profit-making microfinance bank for the kingdom. Testimonies of her hard work, commitment, and passion for this God-given assignment abound.
I have known our sister for over 20 years. When I was the managing director of Central Insurance Company in Bookshop House, 9th floor. She was at the 8th floor, the accountant of Associated Discount House. We related so well, being from the same church, from then until we had this relationship of her being the managing director of our Rehoboth Finance Bank while I'm the chairman. And I see her as a gift, not to the bank, to the church, to the family, and to the house of God. Working with her was quite peaceful, and she gave me the encouragement to stay out of the management, because as an accountant, she was a thorough accountant and a good auditor. So she gave me all the reports and all the information required at all times that gave me the confidence and the entire board to stay out of the management, allow them to flow, and gave us the confidence to still move the company to the level she left it today.
Toyin Oni is a